What's going on here? What are we gonna do with this?
This is a roasted root salad. It can work with all different types of root vegetables. Today, I selected Brussels sprouts, carrots, fennel, and then the base is radicchio. We roasted the Brussels sprouts for 15 minutes. We roasted the carrots for 15 minutes. Then we roasted the fennel for 25 minutes. To start, all we did, medium heat, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We pan-seared radicchio. And the best part is it plates absolutely beautiful. Because again, when you're making a salad for the holidays, it's supposed to be a centerpiece.
That's pretty. How do we make it prettier?
We're gonna add our root vegetables first, and then we're gonna finish it off with some citrus and some really bright flavors. I segmented a grapefruit. We're gonna add it just like that. Roasted root vegetables and grapefruit sound a little weird, but when you eat them together, the acid is beautiful. It's a very good combination. Disperse the pomegranates as you'd like.
Okay.
Again, they're beautiful. They're gonna have this nice texture.
So while I'm doing this, why don't you explain what's in that dressing?
Yeah, so this is just olive oil, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, a little bit of garlic, and then salt and pepper. And then, so this is the fun part. The liquid that you have left over from the segmented grapefruits, that's gonna act as our acid in the dressing. Dressing is how much or as how little as you'd like. We didn't add any seasoning to the roasted vegetables, so you can be quite liberal with this. We're garnishing with fennel fronds. So when you get a fennel bulb, you're gonna see these fronds at the very top. Don't throw them away. They have a really nice aroma, and also they're just beautiful.
That is our roasted radicchio salad.
Yeah, that's my favorite holiday salad.
Now, where's yours? Because this is mine. And so let's start with the salad.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. That dressing ties it all together. Those great earthy flavors from all the different vegetables. What do you think? You won't stop eating. That's the
It's a good salad because you don't get bored of eating it.
Thanks for coming over to celebrate the holidays with us.
Anytime.
And thanks for helping out too, bud.
My pleasure.
Happy holidays to everyone from PB with Jay.